What's up, guys? Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we are doing another Snkrflea mystery box. We bought two of them because they were $59.99. We skipped last month because I didn't feel like paying for it, and I just haven't been having luck on them, so I didn't feel like getting one. But we're back. We got two. We basically paid the price of one full mystery box that normally has one. I think this one should have two shirts. The prizes should be up on your screen at some point of what you could potentially get. The big pull in this one is the Supreme Louis Vuitton hoodie. I think it's a medium, so it doesn't even fit me if I do win, which past videos, if you guys have watched them, I haven't. But before we get into opening it, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe down below. Yeah, helps me grow a little bit, and also hit the bell if you don't want to miss an upload. Also, in the description there is a link to my podcast that I started a little bit ago. I think we're on episode 6, 7 now, so check that out. But with that being said, let's get right into opening this. All right, so like I said, this is, I think, the 7th one I've done of the Snkrflea mystery boxes. If you guys don't know what Snkrflea is, they make mystery boxes. They're usually, this one was $60 or $55, $130. I think they're actually decreasing price to $110 permanently. They also donate $5 to food bank, and I think $5 to like veterans or something like that. So they do donate to good causes. They try not to make money on any mystery box. I have sold a decent amount of the stuff that I have gotten from mystery boxes, so I have made a decent amount of my money back. I have kept a decent amount of stuff too, so I do wear the stuff that I get in these, but you can get an ASO Social Club shirt. At least this one you get one, a Revenge, or I think maybe even Bape, and then you could get like an Off-White. There's a bunch of other stuff that you can get. The prizes should be on the screen of stuff that you can get in this mystery box exactly. But hopefully I just get a golden ticket. I haven't actually gotten one yet, but there should be two shirts in here and hopefully something else. I try to feel around to see if I got something different this time. I couldn't really tell. The piece of paper is just like golden ticket, and you message them. I didn't cut this very well. You message them that you won if it's not in the box already. Hopefully I get something because I'm on like 7th one. I don't know how many they sell. Obviously I'm one of the smaller YouTubers who ever opens these things or even talks about them, but they are pretty cool. I do enjoy them. Definitely something I'm okay with. So let's get right into it. I'd hopefully get something good, but we'll get to this first one. This is one I've had before. It's an ASO Social Club. I think it's like the Filthy Fury. It's got like a pentagram on it. Is this one on the front or something? That looks a little different, but it's Neighborhood. I think it's got like a pentagram on it. Probably won't be wearing it. I'll have a picture of it up on the screen. But that's the first one, ASO Social Club. And then we got nothing. We have no golden ticket once again. I think this is like the 7th one. I definitely should probably just stop doing these. I might skip next month too. These will be a little cheaper. I do have this one too. It's the Rodeo, the white tee, and XL. So it is another one I picked up before. I actually kept this one, so I will be selling both these since I've sold this one originally, and I already have one of these, so I will be selling that one too. If you guys want to check it out, it's probably going to be on Grailed. Grailed's no longer an Android, and I use Android, but I'll probably be selling them on there. So another L. I'm like 0 for 7, and I think I've bought like 10 mystery boxes at least at this point, and I haven't gotten a single thing. So one of these days I might get something, but if you guys want to know if it's worth it, I think I've been asked that a few times in the comments. It really depends on how much you kind of want to gamble. Like I said, I've sold these before. I haven't sold them for exactly my value back because I'm just trying to just get rid of them quick. And I don't really care to sell them, and if I only lose like $10, it's not that big of a deal to me. But if you're looking to try to make a ton of money, you better hope to get a golden ticket. But it is a gamble. It is a mystery box, so you don't know what you're gonna get. But for two shirts, if you like them, then you can keep them. Like I said, I have kept a few of these. Like I have kept this one, but it's definitely something you can sell, and they sell not terribly hard. Like it's not hard to sell these things. So just list them on Grailed or like eBay or something, wherever you sell stuff. So another L for me. Maybe next one. Maybe if I keep doing it. But hopefully we get a W in one of these videos. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you guys ordered one of these, what you got in it, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.